Are there any other drugs that can be used to treat whooping cough besides the macrolide? Say you cannot take it for whatever the reason.
Quinolone antibiotics have been thought to be helpful with whooping cough as well. Quinolone antibiotics include medications such as Cipro, Levaquin, and several others. And these antibiotics may be helpful in killing the bacteria.
What about self-medications?
Self-medications are also in this group, although we do use them less frequently. They can be helpful.